Exercise 194. Start. The Treasury had consented to enlarge the Land Department. Full stop. There would be one additional sub-commissioner and four assistant sub-commissioners. Full stop. The Treasury had also sanctioned an additional clerical staff to the number of 11 persons. Full stop. A matter of great importance and difficulty at the beginning of this work had been the obtaining of suitable land. Full stop. A great deal of land was expressly excluded by the act. Full stop. In some places there was not enough suitable land for all the applicants, and there was not enough suitable land for all the applicants, and there were cases in which the only remedy for congestion was the migration of some of the applicants to other parts of Scotland. Full stop. There were various cases which made rapid progress impossible in the first year, but these would diminish as time went on. Full stop. He hoped the board would be able to bring into use for small holders land which now was either not cultivated or not being used to the best advantage. Full stop. During the past century, a large area of arable cultivation had passed into permanent pasture, and he hoped it would be possible to place many small land holders on land of that kind, a process which would increase the number of men maintained on the soil. Full stop. As to deed forests, there were two cases in which owners had offered to negotiate for a settlement, and there were several other cases. Full stop. In which negotiate were going on. Full stop. The question of compensation might make the taking of a small piece of land in the middle of a deer forest an extremely costly business. Full stop. The first report showed that by the end of the year, subject to the decision of the land court, arrangements had been made to provide for 500 applicants, and since then a great deal of work had been done. Full stop. Many hundreds of cases were in various stages of development. Full stop. The board were anxious, not only to find land for small holdings, but also to assist their successful cultivation by giving the holders opportunities of practical instruction and demonstration, of learning the best methods of cultivation, of keeping up the quality of their stock, and by encouraging polarity and everything which would make the small holdings profitable. Corporation amongst small holders was making satisfactory progress, and the board was at present in communication with the Scottish banks for the purpose of seeing whether they could offer better credit facilities. Full stop.